give to you and never ask too much, wanting that you would say, hoping you'll understand it's not good and you're sweating pain to speak too much of what we know. When all the past is over and gone, give me your trauma, you know it use. I can do so much for you. I want you how you need me, holding you near me. I want you to stay and never go. It's alright knowing you need me, holding you near me. I love you tonight, it feels so right. You're ready to say that you get lost in love. Under it all you feel, you know how different love could it be. Tonight we'll dance until it's time to go. Then I'm leaving it up to you. Give it up, but know that I'm not through. I can do so much for you. I want you all in me, holding you near me. I want you to stay and never go away. It's alright knowing you're near me, holding you near me. I love you tonight, it feels so right. Holding you near me, I want to stay and never go away. It's alright holding you near me, holding you near me. I love you tonight, it feels so right. Feels so right. Ang pag-ibig ay sadyang ganyan, tiwala sa isa't isa'y kailangan. Bakit kung pag-ibig walang pakialam, basta mahal na kailanman. Huwag kang mag-isip ng ano pa man, mga paliwanag mo ay di na kailangan. At kahit ano pa nakaraan, mahal
love yan si Maidna. Thank you, Maidna. Isa na appreciator ko. Maidna. Diba? Si Maidna. Amo yung perme kang komento.
Maliban na ikaw ay ibigin ko. Ito'y isang balang na umiibig sa'yo. At kahit ano pa nakaraan pa ba, mahalin kita mag-iisip. Hindi ko na sana pinagmasdan ang iyong
Inulit.
at hindi na rin pinansin bawat ibig may iyong. Dahil sa akala ko hindi ako iibig sa'yo, ikaw pala ang nakakit sa puso ko. Kaya ngayon ay gulong-gulong ang puso ko't isipan. Parang gabi ay umaraw at sa tuwing ay nababagsak. Dahil ba ang puso ko labis na umibig sa'yo, hanggang kailan mag-iisilim ang pag-ibig ko. Ano ang gagawin sa utos ng damdamin? Para pang hangin na kahirap tigilin. Sana'y unawain ang pusong sa'yo'y balik. Nais kong malaman na iniibig kita. Hindi ko na sana pinagmasdan ang iyong ganda, at hindi na rin pinansin bawat ibig may iyong. Dahil sa akala ko di ako iibig sa'yo, ikaw pala ang nakakit sa puso
Sintonado pala eh. Okay pala dyan kahit sintonado eh. Si Django, nanonood. Wala dyan. Kaya ka tamagay niya, boses.
Higit pa yan